Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showcasing Cooko V2, V3 technically is what it goes by now. So basically, you're going to download this zip from the link below, and make sure it's on the Discord server. You're going to open you're going to take the file out right here, like here, you see like zip. You're going to drag it out into whatever folder you want it to be. So you're going to open up the folder, and you're going to use this exe right here in a second, but make sure to read readme.txt. Edit light.py and change the path. This is ignore these first two. Ignore the third one is going to be before, I believe. The start button, it works, and basically I'm going to show you how to do it. So a lot of these are outdated because we found a lot of bug fixes. So you're going to open up light.exe, and look, it's going to start to, it says light.py because it's made from. It's going to open up Roblox.com, and it's going to fill everything out. Like, I'm not even touching the keyboard right now. Yeah, it's going to fill the year, username, password, and gender. It normally picks female. I believe it always picks female. But yeah, and it's going to sign up, right? It's almost solved the captcha. Nothing has happened yet. You haven't gotten your Robux yet. So you're going to solve this captcha. You're going to pick the penguins for how many of you need to pick. I normally have to pick 6 or 7 because my rate is actually pretty high. And we're just going to select them all. 6. So, yeah, okay, we still haven't gotten our Robux. We make an account, but you need one other step. You go back to the light.exe and see how it says Cooko V3. You're going to press enter. See how it drops a line and it closes? It sent me the account. So you have to repeat when I press enter. So every time you make an account, you have to press enter back on the screen right here. This is not a true error. This is just a preference that Google wants us, or Google Chrome wants us to use. We're not going to use it, or Python as well wants us to use it. It doesn't matter. We can still do this program. And in V4, we're going to have premium login system and a bunch of other things that may include follow bots implemented into the program itself and not a separate follow bot. That's basically all I want to kind of say. And I kind of want to showcase V4 or V5. V5 is probably when the follow bot is going to come out. So you can see it has a line right here, drop down. It drops a line. It should close out. There it is. It closes out, etc. So every time you make an account, you get 0.1 Robux, which isn't that much. But like, say you use an hour a day, you get like about $1 worth of Robux a day. So 2 hours. And if you have your friends do it for you, then you can make way more. If this ever happens, you see right here, you just start to remove characters until it says allowed. It may say error on here. It shouldn't. Yeah, you're gonna sign up here. Let's sign up. And yeah, so even if it says that, you can ignore it because it will not damage anything. Because it may just error the sign up line, so you might have to do that manually. And hopefully soon we can implement an auto capture service, probably around like V6 or V7. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out. This is how to get free Robux. Like I said, the server link is in the readme.txt. That is valid. But a lot of the information is invalid, so we're probably going to fix that. Have a good day. I'm going to close out this program now. Just close right out. And yeah, peace out.